Or good morning, everybody. This is Mike Tang with Tang Trades here with another video. I'm going to try a little something different today, not a live video. I'm going to do more of a a trade recap video. And just like usual, I'm going to start off with my watch list. I'm looking at AMC, potentially going over the top here. Meme stocks, I just kind of keep it in the back of my mind. I don't trade them most of the time just because of how volatile they are. However, it's been getting a lot of attention, so if it catches some momentum, and maybe I'll play it a little bit. Another one, LMND is at a current or previous high, so I'm looking for the break above for maybe some momentum up to 80 or even a little bit higher than that. It's possible as well because it's been breaking out of a long descending triangle here. So that's something I'm looking at. Roblox, I'm looking for it to break below. Right here, it's kind of sitting on the support, so I'm looking for it to break below, hold with a little bit of flag, and then I will go ahead and get in for the short into maybe the 82s, 83 levels. Not sure about this one. I'm just kind of keeping it in my eyes. And then Tesla's been sitting at the the resistance for a very long time. I think it has a possibility to break out today. I'm looking for a break above, a little bit of a hold, and then I'll go ahead and get into the trade. So we'll cut it short here, and I'll get into the trade recap afterwards. So onto the trades now. I took a couple of trades. The first one was going to be on Tesla at right a break here. I saw that it had a high, and I was looking to get in above this high. I wanted to see a little bit of momentum, so I wanted to get in roughly around this area. You'll see I try to get in, but it doesn't allow me to get in, so I just bought a middle. Unfortunately, I did get filled, and I go ahead and wait a little bit. I took a really quick profit because I wanted a little bit of a pop, and it's showing a tiny bit of weakness. Remember, this is market open, so anything can happen. It can just completely dump, but I thought it was going to be a good move, so I saw it popped up a little bit, and it's not really moving the way that I wanted to move exactly, so I just kind of got out quick. And I'm rallying up a lot higher, but otherwise, we ended up going up a little bit higher, but otherwise, I thought I did okay. I just wasn't sure. So I wasn't too upset about that one. And then the next trade that I had was going to be on Tesla again. After the rally up, I saw that it had a little bit of flag, and I wanted to get into this trade because I saw that it was kind of getting supported by the 9 SMA line. And I said, you know what? If it shows some momentum, I want to get in. So I want to get in here, but it didn't fill me, and then it pops up above. At this point, I was kind of upset about it. As you see, I'm kind of trying to delete the orders now just because I didn't get filled, and I would have been out now already, just for the quick pop. I wasn't looking for a huge run, and yeah, it's unfortunate, but sometimes it happens. I'm not using light speed, so the fill is not as fast as possible. Light speed, you need to have 25k into the account before you can actually do something about it. So I just didn't get into the trade. Unfortunate, and it actually ends up pulling back, but I would have been out already. All right, so the next trade would be another one that I actually took on AMC. I don't normally trade AMC, but here I was seeing that it was kind of potentially going to break the high of day right here at 42.9. So I wanted to get in right now, but I actually wasn't set up. So this is actually my fault. I was looking at different stuff, and this went moving a lot faster than I was anticipating. So I wasn't ready to get in. And honestly, if I would have been ready, I should have been in roughly around 42.7. It actually pulled back a little bit. So I had an opportunity to get in, and I did get in right now, but this is a little bit higher than I had wanted. I was looking for the break above, and it does break above, which is exactly what we're looking for. And I'm fiddling around, essentially panicking. You look at my position, it's only one contract, not super big. Like I said, I don't normally trade AMC, so I didn't know how it typically moves. At this point, it's like 10 o'clock, so I don't know if the momentum could have carried on. It could have, for sure, but I wasn't sure. And I ended up staying in this trade for a little bit of time. You'll see that it actually drops a bit right here, and I was looking to get out actually, but it didn't fill me, which ended up being a little lucky. It just that was okay at the point. I ended up holding because I saw it got rejected, so I didn't get out of the trade. In reality, I should have got out, given that it didn't pop out. But my hard stop was actually thinking about the 42.50 level right below the candle low there. So I'm holding and I'm holding, and then we kind of fast forward a bit, and it actually does break above a bit. Kind of speeding it up for you so you can see it. And it does get the little pop there. So I decide that I'm going to get out roughly around this area here. I got out for a quick 5%. And, you know, AMC does AMC things. It just kind of rallies and rallies and rallies and rallies and continues going up. So if I held, it would have been a lot of money, but I'm not upset with the profit I took there, because that's really the little move that I was looking for. And then finally, the last trade that I took of the day was on Tesla. After the high, it started pulling back a bit. On my other chart that I have up, I saw that this is a potential point of a VWAP bounce, and it was kind of holding above the VWAP. So I thought, you know what, I think it can go up. So I bought in roughly around the 719 level, and it's kind of sitting up a little bit in percentage wise right here, as you can see. So I'm just kind of holding it, waiting for the pop, because it's also forming a nice little flag here, which is something that I'd like to see. And we'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit. Comes up, it gets a little pop. That's what I'm looking for. The quick 10%, little pop. I wasn't able to get out super quick. I'm sorry, I did get out one contract when it did pop up a little bit higher, I think. No, I did not. So I'm still holding it there. Get out roughly when I see another pop here. So I think I see it around here. When I saw it was like 10%, I wanted to get out at least one of them. So get out, and it don't think it filled. So I was looking ready to get out of another trade here. And that one got filled. Oh, it actually shorted me, which was kind of dumb, but it didn't actually fill, which is weird. So I'm actually still in this trade. I thought I had actually got out already, but I didn't get out yet. And then I saw that it was still going up. I thought I was already out, right? I thought I had closed one contract, and I'm still kind of just waiting. I really should be out because it's not popping up the way that I want it to be. So you'll see that I get out pretty soon. Thought I could just kind of rally up a little bit more. Got out one. And I really should have got out of this one. I don't know why I didn't. I got lucky, it popped up, and so then I just sold about here. Hands hovering over the button. Right, and then I get filled. So yeah, that's it for my trades. I took a couple of trades today. Really, on the day, I made $50 on Tesla scalping it. AMC, I could have made a lot more, but like I said, I wasn't sure how it normally moves. And then this is kind of my long-term swing that I'm holding. So $67 for the day, quick profit, no more buying power at all. And yeah, that's going to be the quick recap today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll try to post as often as I can. I've been liking a little bit more of the trade recaps, but they are a little bit more work to kind of put out. So I'm just going to leave it at this for now. If you guys like this type of video, just leave a comment below and I'll do it that way. If not, I'll do live videos, but then there's a lot of dead time in between. So yeah, we'll leave it like that for now. All right, take care, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.